Abaturage bo muri Kasese municipality bino kwerarikira wanyuma y'Omugyera gwa Nyamwamba kwijura gashuka omumaka g'abantu muri kuzi Salute A hamwe na B Chikonjo Ser hamwe no mu muhanda gw'egari y'omwika muri Nyamwamba division.
Following yesterday's report, we registered 2 deaths. The deceased were identified as Matsika Tiopesta, 40 years old, and Wambare Blight, 28 years old.
Abaturage mu nyanyeji bino kwerarikira na mnonga muri kuzi ahabukubo bwa hatiti bineho kutora ebintu byabo byona bisisikire.
Enju yangi yone gwire eri hansi netoyi abataka bona tureira hero amezi gatutahirire nitusaba government ije tuyambe mu bwangu beitu emerambo bagihiro weitu henyini
geita abantu hata abantu hapira abantu bashatu aha abantu bashatu tubwene emirambwe ebiri omukazi n'omusheija omwana yabura so hatiya nyowe ninshaba ngo government ya His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni eyimukiremu na central na district yaitu babase kureba ngo bataho uburyo kurango bakoragana na civil aviation yabeyikiriza batimo mukura oguri kubasa kutwara mezabo.
Mary Juliet adzirengwa ino kwerarikira ahabwe ndwara nyamwinje za kubasa kwimukaho ezirimo korera umushija bwanyuma yo gushanga ngo toilet nyinji zikatwarwa mizi.
Betatu ni ndora mu bwomezi bwaitu nituhamwe ndwara nituhamwe typhoid nituhamwe malaria nituhamwe kimchoni bana baitu nabo bagenda kurwara kwa mwana tokumutanga akahure nkerendezo izigejanya musana ganu geizire kutandika saa 3 nyenchakara na hatuhona tugakalekere gamalekiro nigagenda na hatuhona amezi ganuka kubagabaire geizire kiro tubeire tutakusigara na akateto konka ebitete bituyihiramu tubihiremu betu ebingi byone ebintu bisigaye munju bifuire tutuhiramu kintu na kimo
kurigirira abebembezi be cyangwa muri Kasese amaka g'abantu 12 gatirwa mizi kandi abantigana ubwa hatiti bine bitoro.
We have a total of 2,660 people who are affected in those categories. We have people who have been internally displaced from their homes. They are no longer staying in their homes. They have had to get out. We have 144 households. And the number of people, therefore, in that regard, in that category, are 941.
We are certainly sure there are people who are built close to the channels. They're having problems because they built and blocked the ways. We can talk to them, and in a harmonious way, they can be able to shift, and we try to tell them the dangers of living near the channel.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Muhindo Gerard aba Sky Television agenshonga omuri Kasese.